Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Smart Hacks. My name is Gary, and today we'll be looking at how to use Adobe Premiere CC to set up a multi-camera sequence. Let's say you have video footage of the same event shot from different angles. In Premiere, you can synchronize and quickly switch between source video feeds using keyboard shortcuts or simply clicking the feed you want to create a professional multi-camera sequence like this.
They look at me, took me, shook me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the...
Let's get started. Launch your Premiere project containing all of your video clips. Hold down the Alt key on Windows while clicking the twirl arrow on the Footage folder. This expands all the subfolders. Next, hold down the Control key while clicking each video that has the green and blue audio icon. With all the video clips that contain audio selected, right-click and choose Create Multi-Camera Source Sequence. Because each of these videos includes a portion of the same audio, Premiere can automatically synchronize them when we click the Audio button. The default is to use Camera 1 audio. However, because the first video in our selection is not actually the longest, we need to change the sequence settings to switch audio. This will play the audio from whatever active video feed you select. Technically, we'll replace the audio from these clips with the master audio later on. Click OK to continue. Premiere moves the video clips into a new subfolder titled Process Clips and creates a new multicam sequence. Right-click it and choose New Sequence from Clip. To make it easier to edit, let's change our workspace by clicking the window menu at the top, then expand Workspaces and select Editing. In order to see all the tracks at once in the Program window, click the wrench icon in the lower right corner and select Multi-Camera. Last, let's add the Record Multicam button to the Program window by clicking the plus button in the bottom right corner. Drag the red circle from the palette down to your program window. Now you're ready to direct your first live cut sequence. Your program window will be divided, with the source clips on the left and the output preview on the right. Some videos may appear black. That's because their audio comes later in the sequence. Scrub the playback area of the program window to locate where in the sequence each video should display. In the left side of the program window, click the fifth video thumbnail to activate it. Click the red record button. Then, press the space bar to start recording the cuts. As the director, you'll watch the left window and click the video thumbnail you want to take in the main window. Cuts are made in real time, so try to time your clicks as closely to the beat of the music as possible. If you make a mistake, you can always fix it later. Keep in mind that Premiere treats one recording session as a take, so if you undo, you'll lose all of your cuts. In practice, I prefer to work in shorter stints, working out the timing of 10 to 20 seconds, recording those cuts, then stopping the recording to prepare for the next set of cuts. Generally speaking, clips will have about a second of lead time, giving you, as a director, a moment to decide if you want to click it to include it in the final video. For more precise timing, you can manually scrub the playback area and use the left and right arrow keys to advance frame by frame until you get to the point in the main track where you want to switch feeds. Click on the red record icon, then click the appropriate video feed, and then scrub to the next cut location. If you zoom in close enough on the sequence track, you see the preview of each video feed. You can right-click and swap clips here as well. You've now successfully directed your first real-time multicam sequence. You're now officially awesome. For the rest of the assignment, you'll need to fill in your music video using some of the other video clips that don't have audio. More on that in our next video.